Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. In this video, we are going to create a sheet metal part in NX Unigraphics, which is displayed over here. So let's get started. First we will use tab feature. So open the tab feature and click on sketch section. Select XY plane and click on OK. Select the rectangle command. Draw one rectangle. Go to rapid dimension. Give this dimension 300 and this dimension 100. Now close this and go to geometric constraint. Select this midpoint and this origin and close this. Again go to rapid dimension. Select this line and this x-axis. Enter the distance 50. Now select the polygon command. Enter here 3 and select this origin. Enter the radius 20 and angle 90. Now close this. Again we use rectangle command and draw one rectangle like this. Go to geometric constraint. Again select vertical alignment. Select this midpoint and this origin. Now select equal length and apply this on these 4 edges. Now close this. Go to rapid dimension. Give this dimension 60 and select this midpoint and this line. Enter the distance 155. Now close this. Select the circle command. Draw one circle of 50 mm. Again go to geometric constraint. Select vertical. Select the center and this midpoint. Again go to rapid dimension. Select the center of circle and this line. Enter the distance 60 and close this. So our sketch is completed. Now finish the sketch. So it will create a sheet like this. Click on OK. Next we will use bend feature. So click on bend feature and select the sketch section and select this plane. Click on OK. Draw one line between these edges. Now go to rapid dimension. Give this dimension 100. Now close this and finish the sketch. So the bend will be generated like this. First we select here bend center line and reverse the side and click on apply. Again we will use bend feature. So click on sketch section and we select this face. Again select line command. Draw one line like this. And go to rapid dimension. Give the dimension from this edge 100. Now close this and finish the sketch. First we reverse the side and enter the angle 135 and select here bend center line. Now click on apply. Again we will use bend feature. At this time we select this face. Again we draw one line. Go to geometric constraint and apply horizontal. Now go to rapid dimension. Give this distance 15 and close this and finish the sketch. Enter the angle 90 and click on OK. So our part is partially completed. Now we will apply some finishing with break corner and chamfer features. So click on break corner and select this whole object. Enter the radius 15 and click on apply. Now cancel this. Next we use chamfer feature. Select this object, enter the distance 1 and click on OK. Now we'll change the object color. Go to view, edit object display, select this object, click on OK and select this color, click on OK and again click on OK. So it will apply the color. Next we will change the rendering style to shaded and hide the datum. So our sheet metal part is completed. In the next video, we will see another tutorial on sheet metal designing. Till then, check out the other videos and subscribe this channel C4CAD. Thank you.